Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making mini hanging terrariums. And we're using recycled plastic wine glasses that you find at many parties. So the next time you're at a party and they're serving wine, grab those plastic wine glasses to make these mini terrariums. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a mini terrarium. E6000 Plus is the perfect glue to use for this project. It's no odor and it works perfectly on plastic. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.